Now I replaced the alternator right there, and the new belt on the Camry is terrible. Sucks. So now it's running. So that means the alternator is working. It's charging at 14. Okay, it's charging. So that means the alternator is working. Everything's working. All right. So if I turn the light on, the volt would go down a little bit. Okay, see, it go down a little bit, but not much. That means the alternator is working just fine. If I turn let's see, if I turn the car off, it will go down to 12.6, 0.7, something like that. With alternator working, charging, that's how it works. So I guess, hey, it's 300,000 mile car. So look at that. Do what I can to get it going. You know, for the poor guy like me, can't afford a new car. So just gonna keep driving it until it falls apart. Thanks, man, for watching. Any question, just ask, man. I'm not the best mechanic in the world, but I'm okay. Thanks, man.